Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your final weather hazard brief for November, Saturday the 30th. Start off looking at a summary of conditions for today and the next couple of days. We have a drifting snow possible this morning across a few areas, lingering snow showers in eastern Idaho today. Otherwise, today is actually going to be precip-free for the first time in a few days. Temperatures will be dropping tomorrow into the single digits, and the next snow system will arrive in the central mountains early on Sunday and then approach the rest of southeast Idaho on Monday, but it's not expected to be a very significant snow maker. So let's take a look at our, the forecasted model for precip over this weekend. Now I'm just going to kind of let this loop and then talk about it as we go through the loop. Now the blues here, are the forecasted snow showers. You saw in the beginning of the loop here the lingering snow showers forecast over in eastern Idaho for this morning in Island Park, Driggs, Rexburg, and Idaho Falls area. And then you see this big period of nothing happening here. That's the no precip, the precip-free day today, aside from those lingering snow showers in eastern Idaho. But then you see all these colors start to arrive again on Sunday. Now that's this incoming storm system on Sunday. Notice the blue overspread the rest of eastern Idaho by the end of the day Sunday. Now it's a little bit uncertain. You see it's basically almost all over eastern Idaho here. So there's kind of some uncertainty as to where the snow showers will exactly set up on Monday, but we do expect the snow showers to arrive in the central mountains on Sunday, and then progress to the east going into Monday. So I want to back up a little bit here and talk what has been happening early this morning, because we do still have those lingering snow showers in the eastern portion of our forecast area. We've had a little bit of a mix in these areas outlined in purple and blue, these light precip areas, and it's mixing in with some light freezing drizzle. So wanted to point this out to tell you where we think this activity is and expect it to end by this morning. Now the good news is that as the morning progresses onward here, we're generally expecting that any mention of a freezing drizzle mention should all but dissipate as our temperatures lower and just becomes a snow activity and just snow. So at 5 o'clock here, I'm just showing you a precip intensity here, and then just talking about what should be happening. But wanted to bring this point up, and then by 7 o'clock here, if you're watching this briefing after 7 o'clock, really just skip through this portion of the briefing because it doesn't apply anymore. But you see this precip intensity really drop off near Rexburg and through the Teton Valley areas here. So with the snow that is forecast for the rest of the day here, you see kind of the higher forecasted amounts are in the Pine Creek Pass area near Island Park, but just a little bit south of Island Park. So we're talking mountains. So a little bit more than 2 inches, otherwise around 2 inches in Driggs, and same for Island Park. Now we mentioned earlier the blowing snow risk today. It's not necessarily blowing snow. I should have wrote drifting snow because it's not falling snow anymore. It's the snow that's left over on the ground. But we do have some gusty winds out there today. And then again tomorrow. We're already into the loop a little bit here. So, okay, here's our early morning forecast. You saw some strong 20-25 mile an hour winds early this morning, and then again Sunday morning and overnight tonight into Sunday morning, the strong northeasterly winds through the Snake River Plain and in the southern highlands here. So there could be some drifting snow. Temperatures tomorrow morning pretty cold. We do have single-digit temperatures across the Snake River Plain, so you see the 2, 3 to 6 degree low temperatures, and then much colder in the Arco Desert, Copper Basin, the valleys of the central mountains tomorrow morning. And I threw this loop in here because it's fun to look at something different every now and then, but we're not necessarily going to see the sun today. So these purple colors, the reds, the oranges are all indicating a lower ceiling height, so basically a low cloud deck and areas that are not going to see sun today. So maybe some areas will. Sun Valley, as the name suggests, will probably see some sun. Chalice Stanley might see some, and also the Magic Valley. Otherwise, we're pretty socked in. All right, so to recap today, we do have some drifting snow concerns, lingering snow showers in eastern Idaho today. Otherwise, we are precip-free, dropping temperatures into the single digits tomorrow morning, and then the next weather system arrives into the central mountains on Sunday, with the rest of southeast Idaho being impacted by that system on Monday. But again, it is not currently expected to be a significant weather maker. Okay, we will end the briefing here. If you have any questions or concerns, please do feel free to give us a call at any time. We will be here to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching.